So before I show you the easy way to detangle your hair, let me first show you this simple detangler that you can make under 2 minutes, and it works for all hair types. First, you need to grab like a spray bottle, and inside this spray bottle you're going to pour your desired quantity of water, and then you're going to add, and then I added leave-in conditioner inside. Note that the more leave-in conditioner you add, the more thicker the water gets, right? I don't like mine too thick, so I add like a little bit, you know. So then I'm going to add glycerin inside the water. Glycerin is a humectant, and it is best to use this period where there is water in the atmosphere. So now I'm going to add oil. Oil is a sealant, and thereafter I'm going to add essential oil. I'm using lavender essential oil, and that's all. That's literally all. And then I'm going to shake very well to combine everything together. And here your detangler is ready. You can also use this detangler on your protective styles. When your hair is in protective style, you can use it to like keep your hair moisturized for as long as you're carrying a protective style. All right, now before I introduce our model for today and show you the way to detangle your hair, I want to introduce myself. Hello, hi, my name is Favor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. I hope that you like what you see, and if you enjoyed the video that you're about to watch, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you very much. Okay, so this is my daughter Amara, and I'm using her hair to demonstrate the easy way to detangle hair. Also because her hair is like fine natural hair. I always used to like joke and say that her hair strands is invincible. So the best or the easiest way to work with to detangle your natural hair or to handle your natural hair is to work in sections. The reason I feel like people struggle with detangling their hair or handling their hair is because what I've noticed since I started working at this salon is because some people comb their hair as a whole. Like you give a customer comb to comb their hair, and they will not even like section the hair. They'll just start combing natural hair like that without even applying water or anything. That way you will cry that your hair is difficult to manage, and you also cry that your hair is painful. But take a look at my daughter's hair. She's a drama queen. When I say she's a drama queen, she's a drama queen. If she's feeling pain, like she will not be able to sit still while I'm doing this to her hair. So working in sections will make the work much more easier. And then when you section out the hair, you have to go in with water. In this aspect, well, here I'm using a detangler that I showed you how to make earlier. So you're going to use the detangler, spray it on her hair first, or on your hair first, or whoever's hair that you want to detangle, as long as it's natural hair. When you spray it, you press it in. Sometimes the hair that you're dealing with is a low porosity hair, and you notice that when you spray something like water on it, it just sits on it and it takes time to like penetrate. So in that aspect, you just have to like press it in, help it to absorb the water faster. After that, you're going to apply your leave-in conditioner, and when applying the leave-in conditioner, also make sure that you're working all this while you've not introduced combs. You are still using your finger. Make sure you're working the products in properly. Use your finger to detangle it. So after detangling and removing the shredded hair, the reason why you work with your finger is because if there is any tangle, as you're putting your finger through the hair, you'll be able to separate it with your hair better than you would with comb, right? So, and you'll be gentler with your finger than comb. So this is a little extra step that I like to take because my daughter's front hair because my daughter has like a thin hair in the front. I don't know, her hair is not full at the front area, so I'm trying to see if that area can be fuller than it is. So I just started introducing scalp massage, but it's something that you should do often if you have the time. And then that's like extra step, but it's a very vital step, because scalp massaging helps the blood to flow, like helps to circulate blood flow in the area where you're massaging. Okay, so once I am done massaging with my scalp massager, I'm going to go ahead now and start combing. Now you'll notice that as I'm combing, once I notice any tangled parts, I'll drop the comb and then I will finger detangle. Then I'll continue combing again. If I notice any tangle again, I'll drop the comb down and then I'll separate that tangle. Then I'll continue. This way, you're not going to break your hair, right? Your hair is not going to break. If there's any hair that fall out, it will be a shed, the hair that is supposed to shed. Remember that our hair is supposed to shed like 50 to 100 strands a day according to Google. So to reduce the shedding as much as possible, to reduce breakage as much as possible, make finger detangling your friend. I've not actually mastered how to solely detangle with my finger. I've seen some naturals, that's what they do. They don't use combs anymore, they just use their finger to detangle. I'm not sure that will be me. I don't know if I will someday master it, but for now I just use my fingers to detangle as much tangles that I can, and then I'll go in with comb. This way I am not breaking excessive hair. Okay, and then after detangling, while I am combing or detangling, if I notice any stray, any knot or any long piece of hair that is difficult to remove, I'll use my sharp scissors and I'll cut it. Another mistake that people make is using their hand to separate the knot, to drag the knot out. They will like cut it out. Don't use your hand to cut it. Use scissors, and a sharp scissors, and then cut it out. And then you continue combing or continue detangling with the comb or with your finger. Once you're done, then put your hair in a protective style. Make sure that you're putting your hair, you're either twisting it, you're either threading it or braiding it, or you can even put it in a cornrow or bantu knot, right? Once you're done combing and detangling your hair, please don't leave your hair out like that. If you're not planning to do anything to it just yet, then put it in a chunky twist, chunky braid, thread it. You can like part the hair in 4 or 5 pieces and thread it, or you can do a big cornrow like 4 parts. So here I was just showing you how, when I mean that my daughter's hair, what I mean when I say my daughter's strands is like tiny, that's what I mean. Like it's literally invincible. You have to like look at it very well to see how to see that you're holding a strand of hair. So that is why, especially when I'm working with my hair, I am extra gentle when I'm working with my daughter's hair, because her hair is fine and it is prone to breakage. Like a strand that is like that tiny can easily cut, right? So you have to be gentle when you're working with hair that is natural, and even gentler when you're working with hair that is fine. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you were able to like pick something, 1 or 2, on how to detangle your hair properly, or how to detangle that your daughter's hair. Okay, and you're going to see growth when you're doing this. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of such videos around natural hair, and comment in the comment section if you have any question that you want to ask me, or if you just want to engage with my video. Please, I would really appreciate that. It's been long I dropped a video. In fact, to be honest, this video, like, it has taken me up to 2 weeks because I am literally scared to drop a video because my videos has not been getting views, and it's kind of discouraging me, especially now that I am busy and I still have to create content. So when it doesn't get views, I feel like it is not worth my time. So yeah, please just try and support me by engaging, like the video, comment your favorite part of this video on the comment section. Just help me build my engagement, please. And I want to apologize to my friends, it's people like Becky. I'm sorry for not dropping videos sooner. I know that you must have missed my videos. I will try. I will not promise, because I'm still trying to like build my confidence, dropping content even while there's no view or no much views. So I'll try. All right, thank you all for watching and engaging with this video. I'll see you in my next one.